printing press, electricity, engines the first connectivity. But this time's different, AI's on the rise, thinking faster than the human mind. Don't be afraid, just recognize the world is shifting before your eyes. AlphaFold rewriting science, robots rolling into alliance. Old careers fade, new ones born. In this age we must transform. The future starts with you, so dream big, chase your view. AI's a tool, not the end. Let it amplify how you ascend. Go global, learn and grow. Build a T-shape you control. In a world where the lines all move, you decide what you'll become. Empathy that heals the soul, vision that shapes a daring goal, creativity that breaks the mold, courage that can't be bought or sold. Machines can think, but they can't feel. Your heart is where the future's real. Warehouses full of bots at work, systems smart enough to never shirk. But humans rise where meaning lives, connection, ethics, the will to give. The future starts with you, so dream big, chase your view. AI's a mirror, helping you see the irreplaceable spark of humanity. Go global, learn and grow. Build a T-shape you control. Step forward, bold and true. The world is waiting for what you do. Be a tag on the wall, North Star, don't let it fall. 1 year, then 90 days. Small steps light the way. Focus on what matters most. Say no to the noise, stay close to the dreams you wrote inside. That is how the great ones rise. The future starts with you. Your passion pulls you through. AI transforms the game, but you will still choose your name. Think global, act with heart. Your journey is a work of art. In an AGI-powered world, you're the human changing its world. So learn, explore, invent, adapt. Life's a map, not a trap. In the age of AI coming fast, your courage is what always lasts. The future starts with you. Let nothing stop what you can do.